has been the longest winter. Huh?
Yeah.
We made it. We survived. Today we're going up here to Kane Lake, up here in the Copper Basin area. I think it's Pioneer Mountains. But yes, first hike of the season. Super excited. And Nicole, she needs a place to set up a hammock. So we're gonna come up here and set up a hammock, stay the night. Kane Lake is about 9,200 feet, like 3.5 mile hike. So not too bad of a hike. Good early season hike. Getting us ready, so I hope you enjoy. Keep losing the trail in patches of snow, so it's a little tricky. But we did have a new addition this winter. What'd you get?
Some new shoes. We got some Speed Cross 6 Solomons, which were a hole in the other ones. This is the last push. Just gotta get up over this ledge up here. Lost the trail the last third of the hike. Lots of avalanche fields, down trees. So just kind of doing a little route finding. But we are just about here to the lake, and it is stunning out here. It is so beautiful. Yay!
He is so excited for this.
I'm so excited. And we got green beans too. Poku loves pickle juice. It's his favorite.
Oh, yes! Breakfast will be served shortly. Oh, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. Good morning. I hope you all are enjoying the video so far. I wanted to share with you all a simple concept, and it's called nothing changes if nothing changes. I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. I hope you enjoy.
Nothing changes if nothing changes, man. I just want to remind you, because I've spent a lot of time in my life sitting around wanting things to change, and not being able to make them change, and not thinking I could. And I wish somebody had told me that earlier sometimes. That in order for something to change, there needs to be change. I'm going to see what happens when I decide that I am qualified. What happens when I decide for myself that I'm going to do something different. I'm going to have setbacks, I know. But if I'm feeling bad, that doesn't mean I'm doing bad. That doesn't mean I am bad. That doesn't mean that I can't still take some action. Because yeah, nothing changes if nothing changes, man. You know, we'll sit around forever wondering, well, what if I... I'm always waiting for everything to be perfect before I live my life. As soon as these things line up, I'm gonna live my life. And in the meantime, I'm burning the best time I do have available. I'm burning that candle up. I'm burning this candle down, and I'm saying as soon as it gets bright enough or warm enough in here, I'm gonna show up. But the candle's getting smaller. You can't wait for everything to be perfect to start living your life.
Ready to watch this awesomeness?
Yes. That's a
I kind of
skip.
skipped.
That's a skip.